Hello everyone and welcome back to our newest episode. With you as always me, Virus, and this time we're here in Berlin, Germany, visiting biggest print expo FESPA 2022. And I would like to show you around. So let's go. Here at FESPA you can find a lot of very well-known brands such as HP, Mimaki, Canon, FESQ, Print, as well for us very well-known brands for wrapping industries, Evidenson, 3M, Hexis, Arlon, and etc. And today we're gonna walk around and check the stands. This year FESPA show is way bigger comparing to the last year because finally COVID restrictions are removed and we can enjoy the show. And you can see how many people are here. Unbelievable. Oh no guys, again I met this person. Hey. Hello, cheers. Hey. Oh. How are you? Hey. The wrapping stand always is most of the busiest stand at the FESPA show. Just see how many people. Here always a lot of action. We have a ping bing plate here in action. It's a nice tool to practice your cutting skills. As well, at this stand we have so many friends. Hello, how are you? How are you? Hey, hey, hey.
Nine cuts without paint. Oh!
Yo! How are you?
I didn't want to go there.
You didn't want to go there? Daniel, again. Daniel always is on the stand. He's everywhere.
Coffee always. You got some sugar?
Oh, I see Pascal. Hello! Hello, hello! How are you?
Good, how are you doing?
Good, good. Just walking around?
Just walking around.
Yeah, just catching some shots for our video.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Doing good.
Today we're gonna film video with us in Nosatec.
Here, we can give this to the guys around here. And also we have a lot of other materials. You see here the support performance.
So how is the FESPA show so far?
Amazing, great.
Because from my experience it looks very busy, it's crazy comparing to last year. But
Yeah, I would say it comes back to the regular life.
Oh, yeah.
I'm looking forward even to next year and the year after, and because next year is Munich, so we would definitely do something.
Nice.
Our center is in Munich or close to Munich, so we would definitely do something up front the show and maybe some parties after. And Munich, more hometown. But the show here is really great. So we have so many people here, we have so many guys here, and it's awesome.
We are very proud of here at FESPA introducing our Super Mate series colors, the SMCs. And I have a roll right next to me. You know, I don't know if you like this color or not, but
it looks awesome.
But this color really lights up the cars. When the sun hits the car, this color is totally different and totally crazy.
What's the range of the products? As I understand, you have not only clear PPF, you have a black PPF.
Oh yes, so we have actually a full range of products. We have a clear film up to 72 inches wide. We have extra thick films. We have matte films. We just introduced our product called Raven. It's a black film, the blackest black on the market, by the way.
Nice.
And we're working towards multiple products which are gonna roll out at SEMA show in Las Vegas.
So I will see you at SEMA show as well.
You will.
Definitely.
I know you have a magazine, Wrap Tech
Yes,
magazine.
yes, magazine.
And what is about? It's about wrapping industry. It's for Japan, or it's international.
And any location, any country have a language problem. So that my country using a Japanese, so that some people cannot speak English. My English is not good, but a little bit can possible to understand. So I take some of the news, new products and the new techniques or something. I got some information I want to share to Japan market, and the opposite side, I want to share some good tools, good item, good techniques to any locations, all over the world, wrappers and the PPF installers.
And I was feeling this new swatch book, and it is thicker comparing to last year, because we've been at FESPA last year, we got a swatch book, and now it's thicker. And I really like this new color, this blue metallic. It looks so good.
Yeah.
Nice. I love it. As well,
Gators Camry Blue, yeah.
As well, this candy red, yeah?
Also a new one.
New one, and this deep blue. I love it. I really love this.
The Vampire Red and the Metallic Blueberry. That's indeed some new colors.
Nice.
You have an eye for it, right?
So, but now we're at FESPA show. What are you doing here? Because you're with so many cameras, taking pictures, videos.
Of course. Yes. When I do these shows, it's a lot of time. It's about the photography that I do for the industry.
Oh, nice.
So covering the show, covering the rappers. A lot of times we cover the competitions. So we have the World Rap Masters competition is going on this week. So they're doing Europe right now. They'll do the World Finals in the next couple of days. So photographing the guys and gals that are competing and catching them in their environment. Rappers rapping, which is a rare thing. You know, as we all know, when we're in the shop, no one's photographing us. No one's, capturing what we do as for a living. And here's just a great opportunity to catch some cool images.
So, what's the difference between SPF X1 and X3?
Well, it's all about the top coat that we have. So X3 we've launched 1 week ago, brand new, so super excited to show it in the FESPA show. So it's all about the stain resistance, water repelling. It keeps the vehicle clean. And anti-yellowing, that's a topic for PPF applications. So we've developed X3, and that's why we are showcasing it with a white colored background.
Okay. So how many tools you have now at Yellow Tools? Because there's so many. These walls are filled with the tools. Do you know number of them?
Yeah, as you know, Yellow Tools was founded 18 years ago.
Wow. Okay.
So with 3 people and 10 products. And one of these products is our speed clip. It was one of our, and it's still one of our best sellers, and it is still the original. And now we have 38 people in our facility in Windeck and 1 guy in the United States. And we have 600 different tools. And all inclusive, we have, with all varieties, more than 1,500 different tools.
first we have here AJ280, which is the last version of the print film for vehicle graphics from 3M. The previous version was IJ180. Now the new one is the difference between the previous one and this one is first air channels. The previous version was with small squares. Now we have single split line. I don't know. Can you see it?
Okay, it's
But
like
if you
almost
can,
not visible.
yes, they are super small. They are micro channels. Then the film is more flexible than previous one. We did this without heating, just with glove. And we have new laminate for AJ280, which is with more gloss effect, more shiny effect, and it's the laminate is more slidable than previous. That means less scratches.
Guys, here with me I have Dimas from Brazil, who's the part of the Wrap Institute team. So can you introduce yourself and tell us a bit more?
Sure. Well, I'm Dimas from Brazil. That's a kind of joke. And I've been installing for almost 20 years. So it's a kind of experience. And I just set up TWI Brazil. So I'm super happy. We got last month Avery certification for the first time in the country. So I'm very proud of that. And I also run banana buffers, the best buffer in the world. So be sure to try if you don't know.
Okay, I didn't know that, but I know banana buffers, but I didn't know that you run it. Yeah, okay. So we'll need to buy more bananas.
And bananas is super healthy, and you know you have to take at least one per day.
Okay. So how's the show for you so far?
Man, it's awesome. After 2 years, basically, without to meet your friends and talk about business and stuff. So I'm very happy to be here. I just went last month to United States for ISA show. It was a great show too. So I'm super happy and waiting for the next ones.
Nice. As well, because you're traveling and visiting many shows, which one is your favorite show?
I would say FESPA.
Okay.
FESPA because it's a worldwide show and it's huge, and you know there's the rap competition, and I love that. I like the vibe between the competitors. It's super friendly and looks like a family, you know. I love that.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Guys, we have here with us Marcos from TVI. So, how far is FESPA show for you?
It's pretty awesome, actually. Yeah, it's mind-blowing. It's so good to be with people again and not only Zoom meetings.
Okay.
So, yeah, super good, nice connections, good networking, wrapping some cars. It's like the dreams.
I hear that you put hard work to put this all together, just organizing, helping.
Yeah. One of my jobs now here is organize the shows for FESPA that we had the booth at Amsterdam last year. Now we have this year, and hopefully in Munich next year also.
Of course.
I hope I can put up a nice show for you guys.
Nice, Tim. Thank you very much.
Thank you, man.
So guys, FESPA 2022 here in Berlin is over for us. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, because we enjoyed this show. We met so many our friends from all around the world, and it was really cool to see some of them after 2 years. So with you was me, Virus, and I will see you next time.